BMWs, the badge that says, I've made it, but sometimes also says, I live at the mechanics. But what if you could own a BMW without turning your glove box into a folder of repair receipts? Today, we're breaking down the 10 most reliable BMWs you can actually buy in 2025. No fluff, no marketing nonsense, just solid machines that won't betray you when the check engine light comes on. If you're a car lover who doesn't want to gamble on German electronics, smash that like button and hit subscribe so you never miss a no BS review. Let's get into it. Starting with number 10, the BMW E46 330e from 2003 to 2006 is a mechanical masterpiece from BMW's golden era. Under the hood, it packs the legendary M54 3-liter inline 6, an engine so reliable that even your local mechanic probably has a tattoo of it. With about 225 horsepower, it's plenty fun without constantly tempting fate. Sure, the cooling system has its gremlins. You'll want to replace the expansion tank, water pump, and thermostat around every 100,000 miles, but parts are cheap and widely available. Expect to pay somewhere between $8,000 and $15,000 for a well-maintained example, and you'll be enjoying one of the last truly analog BMWs. The BMW Z4 from 2019 to 2023 is the fun uncle of the BMW lineup, always ready for a road trip but surprisingly dependable. You can get it with either the B48 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder in the xDrive 30i or the glorious B58 3-liter turbo inline 6 in the M40i. Both are among BMW's most reliable modern powertrains. This generation wisely ditched the overcomplicated hardtop for a soft top, cutting down on potential failure points. Prices range from $35,000 to $55,000 depending on the model and condition. The BMW 740i from 2020 to 2023 is a 7 Series that's actually reliable. That's because BMW swapped out the problematic V8s for the proven B58 3-liter turbo inline 6, making 335 horsepower. It's smooth, powerful, and low maintenance if serviced properly. With massaging seats, semi-autonomous driving, and a business-class back seat, it offers executive comfort without the repair bills. You can find used models for around $50,000 to $70,000. The BMW X5 xDrive 40i from 2020 to 2023 is a versatile machine, powered again by the B58 engine, delivering 335 horsepower through an all-wheel drive setup and an ultra-smooth 8-speed ZF transmission. It comes with a reliable air suspension and a refined interior that rivals Mercedes. Minor early issues with oil pan gaskets and valve covers are well documented, but nothing that'll leave you stranded. Used prices range from $45,000 to $65,000. The BMW X3 xDrive 30i from 2018 to 2023 offers a practical yet sporty option. Under the hood is the B48 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering 248 horsepower and solid fuel economy at up to 29 miles per gallon highway. It's ideal for families or commuters. You might get some squeaks in the interior plastics, and cooling system parts can wear out over time, but overall this compact SUV is a safe bet, priced around $30,000 to $50,000. The BMW 228i Gran Coupe from 2020 to 2023 is front-wheel drive, and that's part of the charm. Fewer moving parts, lower complexity, and greater reliability. Powered by the B48 engine with 228 horsepower, it's quick, efficient, and a smart choice for entry-level luxury buyers. Used models typically sell between $22,000 and $35,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly BMWs out there. The BMW 530i from 2017 to 2022 is a business-class sedan powered by the dependable B48 2-liter turbo engine with 248 horsepower. It strikes an excellent balance between performance, luxury, and cost of ownership. The only thing to keep an eye on are the suspension bushings on higher mileage units. Expect prices between $28,000 and $45,000. The BMW 128 Ti from 2020 to 2023 is a hot hatch that might fly under the radar, but it's a blast to drive and remarkably dependable. With 265 horsepower from the tuned B48 engine and a front-wheel drive layout, it's agile and fun without overcomplicating things. Built on BMW's UKL platform shared with Mini, it's light, efficient, and simple. You'll find them around $30,000 to $45,000, with very few major issues aside from some early software bugs that have since been resolved. The BMW 330i from 2019 to 2023 represents a leap in both performance and reliability. Its B48 engine produces 255 horsepower and features improved cooling and tuning over earlier models. The result is a refined, enjoyable sedan that won't require constant maintenance. With prices between $25,000 and $40,000, it's a fantastic value. The BMW M340i from 2020 to 2023 is the sweet spot between everyday usability and M-car thrills, minus the M-car headaches. Once again, it's the B58 engine leading the charge with 382 horsepower and a 0-60 time of just over 4 seconds. Available in RWD or xDrive, it's fast, composed, and surprisingly durable. Aside from a rare oil filter housing gasket issue, there's not much to complain about. You can score one between $30,000 and $55,000. And for that price, it's practically a steal. So there you have it, 10 BMWs that won't leave you on the side of the road texting your mechanic again. If you're eyeing any of these, keep 3 things in mind to maximize reliability. Use OEM parts, stick to your service intervals, and avoid unnecessary tuning. Which one of these BMWs is calling your name? Drop a comment, we want to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more car reviews that actually keep it real. Until next time, drive safe and stay classy.